with. This is our flank wire width. Okay. Now, first of all, we erase all these things. Now, mechanism of wire. Mechanism of wire. There are three types of mechanism: aberration, aberration, adhesion, third one is diffusion. Okay. Fourth one is chemical reaction. Okay, chemical reaction. First of all, we discuss aberration. Aberration. Huh? What is aberration? Mechanical wiring action caused by the hard particle in the work material is gauges and remove the small particle of the tool. So, what is meant by it? Uh, Aberration is basically the rubbing between the tool and job interface, so that there is some tool particle is removed from the tool face. That is called aberration. This is our tool. This is our tool. Okay. Due to rubbing action of job and tool, so there is some small particle of tool edges or on the tool edges is removed from the tool face and goes away by the chip, so that the sharp principal cutting edge become blunt. This is called aberration wire. Another was adhesion. Adhesion, we already know adhesion. What is the meaning of adhesion? Adhesion means that when two metals are forced into contact under high pressure and temperature, so there is a particle of two metals become welded. In that case, one is work material, another one is tool material. They when tool penetrate on the job, so there is a high stress is generated on the tool and chip, and also high temperature is also generated, so that there is a chances of work material particles and tool particles become welded together and stick together. So that and they stick together and penetrate on that point or stick on that edges. Okay, stick on that edges. This edge due to high stress generated, so that they mm, after some time the machining out sometime machining is done. After some time, this particle due to addition work particle and tool material become welded and stick on the tool faces. So due to strain hardening, this particle becomes harder and they act as a cutting tool and they cut the job, so that there is a chances of build up edges. Okay, we have already discussed what is build up edge. Okay, so this is not desirable. This is another type of wire. Okay, now third point is diffusion. What is diffusion? We already know diffusion is a process in which an exchange of atom occurs and the tool chip boundary, so that the tool surface become depleted of the atoms responsible for its hardness. As this process continues, tool surface become more susceptible to abrasion and adhesion. Diffusion is believed to be a principal mechanism of crater wear. Okay, there is a chances of atom transfer. What is the meaning is that I told you that there is chances of atom transfer. Atom transfer between work particle to tool or tool particle to work. There is chances of atom transfer, so that there is a failure. This is a failure. Okay, diffusion failure. Now, last one is chemical. Chemical, already know, because there is a high temperature generated on the tool and job surface. Mm. So that at this point, at this contacting point, oxidation is occurred. Oxidation is occurred because the air at this contacting point is become oxidized, so that there is a chemical reaction is occurred at the contacting phase of the tool chip interface, so that there is a chemical reaction is occurred, that is oxidation. This is also our, so that the tool becomes softer than the parent material. Mm. So that this is a failure. There is another failure is fifth failure is plastic deformation. We already know plastic deformation how it is occurred. Okay, I have already told in our previous lecture and very beginning of the of this lecture, how why plastically deformed tool or job, why plastically deformed. Okay, this is our failure. Okay, now